Did you guys know na pwede tayong kumita online by just repeating words or training AI? No degree required and no interviews involved. So today guys, I'll be sharing the top 5 global websites perfect for freelancers and students. Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, nagfo-focus tayo dito sa paghahanap ng mga work and side gigs online. So make sure you subscribe para lagi kayong updated. So first up guys sa mga platforms is si Outlier. So guys, Outlier is currently one of the biggest players in the AI training space. And aggressive sila sa kanilang hiring here in the Philippine market. While they focus a lot on the writing, meron silang mga multi-modal projects kung saan pwede kang makinig sa AI-generated audio and i-rate nyo how natural it sounds. Or you have to record yourself reading some Tagalog-English prompts. So guys, kailangan nyo ng computer or laptop for this job. The salary starts around $7.50 per hour. Tataas pa yan, depende sa task na gagawin ninyo. So since we're already on the topic of salary, and if kagaya ho kayo who gets paid in dollars, gusto natin syempre yung best and pinakamalaking exchange rate, diba? So over the years, I've tried a lot of ways to do this. And one that really stood out as a clear winner for me is si Wise. Wise is a free and super convenient way for us to send and receive money internationally, especially for Filipino freelancers. So ako guys, I personally use Wise when I receive money from my clients because number one, real-time yung exchange rate nila and walang hidden fees. So alam mo lagi kung magkano yung pera na makukuha mo. And to be real, mas mataas talaga yung exchange rate nila compared to other platforms like PayPal or bank transfers. And just that alone is already a big win for us here in the Philippines. And pangalawa, it's super easy for me to use and get my money fast. So ita-transfer ko lang yung dollar balance ko to my GCash or Maya or even like banks like BDO or BPI. And guys, super fast talaga siya without those annoying hidden charges. And last and number 3, you get a US bank account that you can share with your clients. So, dyan pa lang guys, it really makes you look professional. Plus, pwede nyong ipunin guys yung dollars nyo sa Wise account nyo tapos i-exchange nyo na lang kapag mataas na yung exchange rate. So guys, don't miss out. Use my link in the description and pin comments. Seriously guys, kung may online job kayo and you're getting paid internationally, this is the smartest way to do it. So back to jobs guys, our second one is OneForma. Ayan, so OneForma guys is very popular among Filipino freelancers and yung mga micro-taskers natin. Kasi marami silang ino-offer na data collection projects. So one thing about OneForma is nag-iiba-iba lagi yung data collection projects nila. At one point, pwedeng audio collection or photo collection, pwedeng video collection. So one of the things na nakita ko ngayon available sa kanila is their linguistic audio collection. So ang gagawin mo dito is magbabasa ka ng script aloud, i-record mo yung sarili mo to train AI. Or pwede rin na i-rate mo or i-judge mo yung quality ng mga AI-generated voices nila. So, requirements for OneForma, kailangan yung IP address mo is in the Philippines. So, they're very particular about not using VPN. And syempre guys, hindi pwedeng phone lang. Kailangan mo talaga ng computer or laptop. So, yung salary kay OneForma, it's per task guys, hindi siya per hour. But typically, it ranges around $5 and up per hour. So, paano mag-apply? Punta lang kayo guys kay OneForma Career Portal. You will be asked to create an account and kailangan nyo gumawa ng account bago nyo ma-access yung mga jobs and tasks nila. So again guys, paiba-iba yung mga jobs availability dito kay OneForma. So check nyo na lang yung mga task nila or yung mga data collection task nila. Kasi usually yung mga microtask platform na ganito, yung hiring nila nag-iiba-iba sila weekly depending sa needs ng mga clients nila. So mag-sign up lang kayo so that when a new project arrives, man-notify na nila kayo via email. Next platform in our platform number 3 is 3Play Media. So si 3Play Media guys, ang magiging trabaho mo dito is magka-caption ka ng mga live videos. Kailangan talaga mabilis kang mag-type dito. Imaginein mo na sa Zoom webinar ka or halimbawa corporate event, tapos may nagsasalita sa conference. So, kailangan mong i-type kung ano yung sinasabi ng speaker real time. These are for people who are watching it virtually or para do sa mga hard of hearing. So, ang requirements dito, meron kang headset. Kailangan din, syempre, since this is live, stable yung internet connection ninyo. Tapos dito, guys, kay 3Play Media, meron silang quick background check and meron din silang typing test bago ka makapasok. Meron silang demo on their website para makapag-practice ka before applying. Para naman sa sweldo, they pay you weekly. For Philippine residents, the pay is usually structured per minute of video. Experienced editors can roughly earn around $200 to $400 per week. One of the cons for 3Play Media is meron silang natawag na drought. Minsan walang mga recordings, live videos na makakaption. So, pang freelance pa rin to, guys. Hindi parating may projects. Next on our platforms is voices.com. So, if you've been told na meron kang radio voice or Siri voice, ganyan, and clear yung accent niyo, you should check out this opportunity in voices.com. So, pwedeng maging narrator ka for YouTube videos or radio ads. So, yung mga big brand kagaya ni Microsoft or ni Spotify, they usually hire through voices.com. So, freelance marketplace ito, guys, where you have to create your profile and record your voice and then submit it for an audition. Siyempre, kailangan meron kang decent microphone to record your voice and i-minimize yung noises. Kailangan clear din yung speaking voice ninyo. Kasi yun nga, gagawa kayo ng demo recording for your clients. And so guys, yung bayaran dito is per project and ranges from around $100 to $500 per project. And yung mga top voice actors in the Philippines can earn around 100,000 pesos per month or more. So, if you already have a demo recording, try nyo din, guys, isubmit yung mga audition tapes nyo sa voices123.com. So, last na tayo, guys, on our list. And this platform is owned by Amazon. It's ACX. So, this is really where the big money is. And ang gagawin mo naman dito is magnanarrate ka ng mga audiobook for authors. Since ACX is owned by Amazon, yung inanarrate nyo na books will be sold in Audible and iTunes. So, ano yung mga requirements here? Kailangan makapag-produce kayo ng high-quality audio. So, you need a really good microphone. And kailangan, syempre, since this is a book narration, you have to be able to not just have a clear voice, but to change your voice depending sa character or sa tone na kailangan doon sa audiobook. And guys, for this one, kailangan nyo rin ng computer with an audio editing software. So, may mga free naman, guys, like Audacity. So, for ACX, guys, since this is a global platform, malaki talaga yung pasweldo nila. It averages around $60 per hour or you can choose around 50% ng royalty share sa book sales. May choice kayo kung gusto nyo is flat fee yung inyong bayad or you can also earn royalties for every audiobook sold. And there you go, guys. Those are the 5 platforms na pwede kayo mag-apply without going through an interview. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. My name is Mimi and here on our channel, nag-share tayo ng mga work from home opportunities and side hustles. So make sure you subscribe para lagi kayong updated. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you on the next one.